How to restore your locked Facebook Marketplace. Let's dive in. Facebook may lock your marketplace access due to violation of its policies, suspicious activity, or account verification issues. Common reasons include posting prohibited items, receiving multiple negative feedbacks, or flag suspicious behavior. Understanding the reason can help you address the issue more effectively. Facebook usually sends notification explaining why your marketplace access was restricted. Check your Facebook notification, email, or messenger for any messages from Facebook regarding the restriction. If you believe your marketplace was locked by mistake, you can appeal the decision. Launch your Facebook and then look for the prompts or notification about your lock status. Click on Request Review or Appeal and follow the instructions provided. Explain why you think your account was wrongly restricted and submit the appeal. Or what you can do is head towards the menu page, navigate to the option of Help and Support. Click on the option of Help Center. Now from here select the option of Marketplace. Now here you can go through the guidelines of the marketplace. Then scrolling down you will see this pop-up. Was this helpful? Click on No. Now provide your feedback over here and then submit it. Next up what you can do is report a problem. For that head back. Select the option of Report a Problem. Click on Continue to Report. Click on Don't Include. From here, select the Feature Marketplace. Now, over here you have to explain about the issue that your marketplace has been locked without violating any guidelines. After you explain it, you can submit it. Then, Facebook support team will get back to you within 24 hours. You can have the conversation with it, and with that your problem might be resolved. And that's how you can restore your locked Facebook marketplace. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.